Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about classification and tabulation. The last chapter we have seen about the collection of data. After collecting the data, the next step is to organize it in a systematic manner. Meaning of classification. Classification is the process of arranging data into sequences and groups according to their common characteristics. Chief characteristics of classification. All the facts are classified into homogeneous groups for the process of classification. Classification may be either real or imaginary. Next we will move on to objects of classification. To condense the mass of data, to present the facts in a simple form, to facilitate comparison, to bring out the relationship. Next we will see the rules of classification. First point is exactness. The classes should be rigidly defined. The next one is mutually exclusive. Each item of data must find its place in one class. Next we will move on to stability. Only one principle must be maintained. Flexibility. The classification should be flexible and easy to adjust. The next one is suitability. The classification should be suitable for object of inquiry. Next we will move on to homogeneity. The items included in each class must be homogeneous. Finally, we will move on to mathematical accuracy. Mathematical accuracy is very important in classification of data. Next, we will move on to types of classification. There are 4 types of classification. The first one is geographical classification. In geographical classification, the basis of classification is the geographical differences between various items in the statistical data like districts, states, etc. The next one is chronological classification. This type of statistical data is classified according to the time of its occurrence, such as years, months, weeks, days, etc. The next one is qualitative classification. When the data are classified according to some quality such as honesty, intelligence, literacy, etc. In this qualitative classification, it is again classified into 2 types, that is simple classification and manifold classification. In the simple classification, if the data are classified into only 2 classes such as literate and illiterate, then this classification is termed as simple classification. In manifold classification, if the universe is classified on the basis of more than one attribute at a time, it is called manifold classification. The next one we will move on to quantitative classification. If the data are classified according to some characteristics which is capable of quantitative measurement like income, height, weight, etc. Next we will move on to tabulation of data. Meaning of tabulation. Tabulation means a systematic presentation of numerical data in columns and rows. Columns are vertical arrangement and rows are horizontal arrangement. Next we will move on to objects of tabulation. To simplify complex data, to facilitate comparison, to help reference, to facilitate statistical processing. Next we will move on to the difference between classification and tabulation. Both classification and tabulation are important for statistical investigation. First the data are classified, then they are processed in tables. Next, the classification is a process of statistical analysis. Tabulation is a process of presenting data in suitable structure. Next we'll move on parts of tabulation. The parts of tabulation must have all this present in the tables. Table number. A table should always be numbered for identification and reference in the future. Title of the table. Each table should be given a suitable title. It must be written on the top of the table. Endnote. It is a statement given below the title and enclosed in brackets. Caption. These are the headings for the vertical column. They must be brief and self-explanatory. Stubs. These are the headings for the horizontal rows. Body of the table. It contains the numerical information. The arrangement in the body is generally from left to right in rows and from top to bottom in columns. Footnote. If any explanation regarding any items is necessary, footnote should be given. Source note. It refers to the source from where information has been taken. Next we will move on to the types of table. Simple and complex. In this simple table, the data are classified according to only one characteristic. It is termed as one way. The next one is two-way table. If the caption or stubs is classified into two characteristics, then such table is called two-way table. Three-way table. In this type of table, it gives information regarding three characteristics, then it is called three-way table. Manifold or higher order table. In this table, the data are classified more than three characteristics, then such table is called manifold or higher order table. So far we have seen about classification, types of classification, tabulation, parts of table and types of table. Thank you.